yo. This for all my progressive thinkers. Yo, cautious with the image that I'm giving. What used to be appealing is the shit that I'm resenting. Feel like I ain't living, I'm dealing with so much. On the low, I'm acting tough, but I ain't been happy in a minute. And what's crazy is this is just the beginning. Riding around Vegas, trying to build my foundation. That immediate happiness is awaiting, but I feel it's overrated. I'm keeping a clear conscience. I just wanna do my own thing. A good heart, but what if I'm out here fighting for the wrong things? Became a daddy and start watching my behavior. Helping niggas out, but niggas running out of favors. It ain't about the paper, it's about what you gon' do with it. You want your music tip, but tell me it's you create. These niggas don't know how to act. I should've been a school counselor to see what they get out of that. All I wanna do is help them just a little bit. Gotta do this game and really try to make a change. I wanna settle down, but the shit is so confusing. I'm just going through a stage where I'm learning how to be brave. All I need is me. Look into my daughter's eyes and then I get the water eyes.